Hey guys, welcome back. Sick Manic Mommy here again to show you another Ipsy. This is the original where they always began. This is the $12 a month Ipsy Glam bag. You receive a bag and like 4 to 5 items in here. They can be travel, they can be sample size in this size. Again, it's only $12 a month. Ipsy, and if you want to see what's going on in this bag, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Stay right here. I'm going to get in this. I'm jumping in. We're going. Open it up. Got a little mailer thing here. My cat is sitting right here next to me, and he knows this is made out of bubble wrap, but I'm afraid he'll knock over the camera if I pop these because he's terrified of it, so I'm not going to do that. But okay, so I'm going to dig into this, and remember, this is the $12 a month basic, super good way to start on Ipsy. If I was a brand new Ipsyer though for the month of November 2019, going off my other unboxings, don't know if I'd subscribe, but I feel like all the other months have been really, really good. So I'm taking all the items out. Looks like there's something that didn't fit. Normally what they do is they put everything in the themed bag. Notice this is the same bag that I had in my other 2 unboxings, but now it's the smallest option. Went from large, medium to small. It's like the 3 Little Bears edition of makeup bags. Super cute leopard theme because the theme for this is Wild Side. November 2019. And when you get the Ipsy Glam bag, for $12, you do get the items that you got in here. They'll tell you which one you picked and any information about the items that you got. This was the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and they don't give you anything. Really frustrating. Ipsy, fix this. Never have the prices. That's just how Ipsy rolls. But what we're going to do is we're going to just go in order of the items. I'm going to open up this cute little bag. Super cute leopard print with the faux leather tassel. Very cute. I've got one for my daughter. I've got one for me. And I've got one for my mom, depending on which one she wants. And we can all have matching bags. Super fun. Yes. Also, stop staring at it. But yeah, I got a cold sore. Real gross, real nasty, really tingly, painful, throbby right now. Super pretty and awesome over here. Okay, so the first item that I am getting out of my bag is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get that glare to go away. Sorry guys, I can't find a spot to film. Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, and this is for your hair. I am always willing to do hair masks and things because I tried a shampoo by a certain brand that we shall not name. It had tea tree oil in it, and tea tree in it, and I literally was going bald. So you can see the long road I have had because look at all of this regrowth underneath. So normal hair, crappy little regrowth that's happened due to split ends breakage, and then that really bad shampoo I used. So be careful, read instructions, and really watch what you're doing and see what those ingredients are supposed to do because you don't want to go bald like I did. It wasn't fun. But this is a hair mask. It is cruelty-free. It's got a little leaping bunny on there. It says a bamboo keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Oh, it's got a cute little hardcore protective thing. So you can just lift that up. Oh, I like that. Very floral. I like floral scents, and I like essential oil type scents. This one is very floral. If you are not a fan of florally old lady rose type smells, you're not going to love this. I happen to love smelling like an old lady, so this is right up my alley. The instructions say apply from ends to scalp, so you're working from the most damage in because up here shouldn't be as damaged as down here, right? Avoid contact with eyes. Seems normal for everything. Rinse well with water if you do. And made in Japan, please recycle and no animal testing. So it says your perfect hair is just a wash away. Cool. Apply to cleansed hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse out thoroughly. This thing is the item that is still actually in here. Oh wait, where did it go? Oh, it fell on my lap. It is a Moda brand brush. They use synthetic fibers. It is the BMX 265 Glow. Glow makes me think it's definitely for highlighter. Ooh, so soft. I do like Moda brushes. I really like that matte black texture. It looks like it should be rubbery. It's definitely not smooth, but it's not like sticky rubbery, but it's a really cool little texture. Moda Pro. Here's the bristles right here, very soft. Mighty tapered tip. So there's the tapered tip. Is perfect for getting into hard to reach areas like under the eyes or around the nose. Oh, okay. I was going to use it for highlighter. All right, this is the item I picked. Oh, more bubble wrap. Oh, and they put a cute little sticker on it. I thought when I picked this item, it would be a full-size item. It's the itty bittiest, cutest little thing I ever did see. Pixie by Petra, Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Naturally Nude. Let's open this up. It is super sealed, so give me a second. Okay. Smells painty, but you know, that's just makeup for you. Yeah, got a little brown action there and got a little lighter of a brown action there. It is for, oop, I just nicked it. Dang it. It is multitasking product for life on the go, made to enhance your eye shape. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features versatile champagne rose gold and gold copper. Pixie by Petra's founder is a mom of 4. They actually put that in there, so mad respect to mommies. Not saying, you know, only makeup guru mommies get props, but she made a makeup line. She's got lots of kids. I think that's kind of cool. I've got 2 kids that can barely handle them and a normal, very, very part-time job. So good for you, Petra. Yeah, good for you. The next one is Verify Skincare Power Trip Phytoglycogen plus AHA Facial Serum. Ooh, I really like that color, but I love green. Green and gold, super pretty, Power Trip. What do you want me to do with this, Ipsy? Apply facial serum once daily to clean dry skin. So usually if it's once daily, that means for me bedtime. Because if it's twice daily, that makes me think it's okay for under makeup. But if they're saying once daily, that makes me think maybe it won't work well with makeup on top of it. But that's just kind of where my brain goes. I don't know if that's true or not. That's just what I think. So you guys let me know what works for you. Do you. But it says 1 to 2 drops of product on your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye area. So that makes me think if it tells me to avoid the eye area, I really, really will, because I have super sensitive eyes. So I will go way raccoon-eyed around when applying this because I don't want it anywhere near my eyes. If they're telling me not to have it near my eyes, that tells me I definitely need it not near my eyes because I don't handle itchy, nasty, blah eyes very well at all. I hate my eyes. They're super sensitive, but you got to learn to deal with what you got, right? It is who you are. So I will give that a shot. I've been getting lots of skincare, lots of serums lately. So I actually think I might click off of serums because I feel like serums are all I'm getting lately. Serum after serum after serum. And I know serums are super popular right now. Everyone wants to be like The Ordinary brand, which love The Ordinary. But everybody's throwing out serums and things like that. So I'll give it a shot, but I think I'm going to try and get Ipsy and BoxyCharm and all those subscription boxes to slow down because I have so many to try. It's getting ridiculous at this point. But there's that. Gigi Gorgeous. So another one of her super cute matte white boxes with the cute pale pink. This is actually a navy, dark blue, unless I'm colorblind, but you guys tell me. But that is a navy blue, I think, with gold accents. It is the Turnt Touch-Up Powder, cruelty-free and vegan. What is going on right here? Sorry, I don't know what's going on with me today. I am a train wreck. My kids need to go to the doctor. I probably should too, so good thing we're going today because that guy's going to be medicating my entire family. There's a time and place for medications. There's a time and place for holistic, and there's a time and place for over-the-counter, and it's time for antibiotics at this point. My family needs it. Okay, so the other powder I did was from the other Ipsy, it was a sculpting bronzer powder. This one is a facial powder. It's kind of got a yellowy tint to it, which you can't judge it by what it looks like in the pan because I feel like you have to put it on your skin because it depends on how it sits on there, how it's applied, how it works. So banana colored yellowy powders don't scare me away. I'll give it a shot. But its little protective sheath is on the glass. It didn't have one of those that they have been having. I don't know if that's just something they didn't do with this packaging, but that's fine. But it is a pressed powder, and there you go. There you have it. Super cute little compact. I'm gonna throw that back in there because I take pictures of everything, of course. That's it. So this time I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Small, little, but cute, compact for powder. I've got Eyeshadow Duo from Pixie by Petra, which maybe this is full size. I thought this when I hurried and logged in. I logged in as quick as I could because I was busy. I was on my phone. I was at work actually. So I was just trying to hurry and customize. And this is what I picked. I actually thought it was a highlighting compact. I didn't know it was eyeshadow, but that's okay. I'll give it a shot. Pretty colors. I really like the darker on the outside, lighter on the inside look. So these will actually be perfect for me. So I'm going to toss that into the baggie. The serum, and it doesn't feel super full, you guys. You can't see because the packaging is so dark, but I'm pretty sure it's only going up to like right here. I don't think it's, yeah, you can hear it moving around in there. I don't feel like it's very full, but it is what it is. It's 12 bucks. You're trying stuff you never would have normally tried. So it's up to you to justify the $12. I think $12 is always worth it to me because I'm getting things I will use. I'm trying new things. I'm going out of my box. But when I do watch this video, but you need to watch my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing and my Ultimate and just see the difference between the items. I feel like 12 is easier to swallow if it's not awesome, where $25 or $50, if those boxes aren't awesome, it feels like a ripoff and you feel like you were bent over by the company, you know? So this, not a terrible bag. I actually will use and try everything in here. Got a cute little bag. It all fits in there. Even the brush did. Yeah, I was able to fit the brush in there. They all go in there. Super soft faux leather. It's got the cute little pink accents in there. And it's just really fall, really wild side, which is the theme for the month. So if you're thinking about Ipsy, I will put my code down below so you guys can click and maybe subscribe if that's what you're up to. I do see potential. Every subscription box comes in waves. And I just think this is one of Ipsy's downward waves. It's totally fine. I'm not freaked out. I'm not mad. I'm just saying, don't judge them by just that month. It needs to be a couple months of crappy before I'm like, oh yeah, it's time. Because I really have been happy with Ipsy for 5 years. So just stick with it. Maybe just put yours on pause. I will keep, showing you what it is and maybe decide off of that. But I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and say hello. I like when people say hi to me. It makes me feel good and not like I'm just talking to myself in my own living room sitting on the floor with my cats staring at me. They're right there. So please like and subscribe, and I would love to hear from you guys. But for now, peace.